We want to travel in the most environmentally friendly way we can, but as anxious as we are to start testing our electric engine with a super long propeller, we have to put the design on hold and get to warmer waters for the winter. Thinking back to how it was living on the boat last winter in Norfolk, Virginia, we skedaddled to South Carolina as fast as we could.
Hey, Beverly. Oh, come on. Here we go. Here we go. Back end's definitely loaded down. All we gotta do now is to untie.
I like how you're holding that.
See, it's easy. Just hanging out. There's a clusterfuck up there.
Oh, there's another boat.
The bridge just lifted.
Too soon. Too soon, Junior. Too soon.
We found our anchorage for the night.
Thanks, Sebastian. You're
Yeah, a friend we met on Facebook named Sebastian set us up with this one. Yeah, a lot of good info on Facebook and ICW free docs. Thanks, babe. It's a handy little vest. Come on in here, Bentley. You want to hand me that rope? We have a good walk. Let me get you inside, huh? It's cold.
All right. 6.7 amp hours is what we drain idle. That's with the power inverter on, hooked to the refrigerator, and a couple of lights on. But throughout the night, it will still leave us with 10,000 milliamps or 10 amp hours out of 25 when we wake up, and we'll see what percentage of the battery that correlates to.
Oh my goodness, it drained it quick.
That fridge, man.
Wow.
Yeah, 60% to 6% one night. So we'd be safe if we could just double our bank capacity. Then we could cook in the morning and run the heater for an hour.
No hash browns yet. Not until the sun comes up a little more. Welcome to day 2 of the ICW. Limited power,
Well, it rained.
off-dock power.
It rained. It's been cloudy. It got cloudy yesterday at like 4 and shut our shit down.
Yeah.
We got no
We're
solar
definitely going to
coming
have
in.
to get a 48-volt wind
wind
turbine.
turbine for the night. Just going through the night would be everything.
I'm finally getting to cook, and I'm making an omelet with all the toppings. We've been drawing in 380 watts just about, and our voltage is sitting at 46.4 right now. So we don't want it.
That's under load though, so it's a little.
Yeah,
slow down.
that's when the eyes drawn.
Did you mention to him that we put the sail up? We're doing 6.7 knots, and that's leaning us over so that we get the 400 watts we need.
Oh yeah, so we pulled the jib out so that it would heel us over towards the sun a little bit, and it increased our wattages up from it was at about 250 before, and now it's 380. So yay! Full
pot bellies. Can't wait. Alright, our omelet's just about done, and it looks like it took 230 watt hours. It's looking good. We don't get hash browns. I'll have to wait 20 minutes or so to recharge for hash browns because we have emptied it to about 45.4 volts. We don't want it to get below about 43 and a half, 44. So yeah, I'm gonna get this out.
Safe
and
away an hour.
start it munching down.
Better cooked solar. And I don't mean like a solar oven, I mean just gathering electricity, ordering a lithium battery. Lithium battery chemistry at 48 volts, 110 at this. Damn, it's good. Good job, baby.
Pretty good. We just gotta get rid of this sucker back here.
Yeah.
I feel awful for putting those pretty rainbows in the water, but we really have to get south. We have to get to warmer water. Can't continue on building a motor until we can live comfortably through the night.
Without burning too much electricity.
Just the way it is. It is a voyage. No doubt. What is that, Bentley? Here it comes again. It's circling us. Softer ground again for the third time today. I think we'll try to make a record today. Still pretty early.
3 and away. Here we go.
Alright, starting day 3 down the ICW. Wait, wrong way. There goes the bike. Shit. Watch it again. There it goes again. There it goes. There go the pedals. We're about to hit. Can you reverse? Reverse, you're gonna hit. Reverse.
Give me the. I guess I know exactly where they're at.
It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Maybe it'll turn around. Until we can find replacement puzzle pieces, just have to make a knot of it. Like they say, it's not what you know, it's which not you know. It could be a lot worse, I tell you. Not too bent out of shape. He's got us back together. It could have been a lot worse, I tell you. That was close.
And we're pulling in 4 amps. Basically what we had charging here overnight.
Awesome.
290
We're not even in
watts.
direct sunlight.
290 watts. Now it's going from 2 amps charging on the battery and then a 1 amp drain, just back and forth, a little bit of back, because that's what the system is good.
Sweet. And we're currently traveling 5 knots straight down the, well, we're not on the ICW, we're on an alternate route. Coin Jock.
Yeah. We left Point Jock, split.
Headed to Say it, yeah, our signature move, saying it in every possible way. What else could you expect from a Louisville girl? Louisville. It's Louisville. Get it straight.